How can I make my deactivated Facebook account appear as though it never existed?
Hey there! Welcome to this video on how to make your deactivated Facebook account appear as though it never existed. If you're looking to maintain your privacy or just want to remove any trace of your Facebook presence, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
What happens when you deactivate your Facebook account?
When you deactivate your Facebook account, it's temporarily hidden from public view. Your profile, photos, and posts are no longer visible to other users on the platform. However, Facebook retains your data in case you decide to reactivate your account in the future.
Permanently deleting your account.
If you want to completely erase your Facebook account and ensure it never existed, permanently deleting it is the way to go. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, and once you delete your account, all your data will be gone for good. To permanently delete your Facebook account, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Facebook account. 2. Go to the settings page. 3. Click on your Facebook information. 4. Select delete your account and information. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion.
Removing traces of your Facebook activity.
Even after permanently deleting your Facebook account, there might still be traces of your activity on the platform. Here are a few additional steps you can take to minimize the visibility of your Facebook presence. Step 1. Delete Facebook-related apps and services. Review the apps and services you have used your Facebook account to log into, such as third-party websites or mobile apps. Revoke access to these apps and services to ensure they can no longer access any of your Facebook information. Step 2. Clear your browser history and cache to remove any cached data or cookies related to your Facebook account. Clear your browser history. This will help prevent any remnants of your Facebook activity from being stored on your device. Step 3. Delete associated email and contacts. If you've used your Facebook email address for any online accounts or shared it with contacts, consider updating or deleting those associations. Remove any email forwarding you may have set up and inform your contacts of any changes to your email address. Step 4. Monitor your online presence. Regularly conduct online searches of your name and other identifying information to ensure there are no remaining traces of your Facebook account or activity. If you find any lingering references, reach out to the website administrators or content creators to request removal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make your deactivated Facebook account appear as though it never existed. Remember, permanently deleting your account is the most effective way to remove your data entirely from the platform. Take a few extra measures, like removing associated apps and services, clearing your browser history, and monitoring your online presence, to minimize any remaining traces. Stay proactive about safeguarding your online privacy and enjoy your Facebook-free journey. Thanks for watching.